At the turn of the 20th century, Amsterdam was a vibrant city. With a population of just over 500,000, it was a center of trade, culture, and industry. But beneath the beauty of its canals and architecture, the city was on the edge of great transformation. The early 1900s were marked by stark contrasts. Industrialization brought progress, but also poverty. Working-class families lived in cramped, unsanitary conditions, while wealthier citizens enjoyed more spacious and elegant neighborhoods like the Old South area. In response to inequality, socialist movements grew in strength. Amsterdam became a center of leftist politics. In 1901, new housing laws were introduced, and by the 1920s, the city was investing in public housing, most notably through the Amsterdam School of Architecture, which combined social ideals with striking design. During the 1920s, the city modernized. Electric trams and automobiles changed everyday life. The 1928 Olympic Games, held in Amsterdam, brought international attention. New museums, bridges, and public buildings signaled a period of cultural and infrastructural growth. But the optimism didn't last. The global economic crisis of the 1930s hit Amsterdam hard. Unemployment rose, poverty returned, and political tensions intensified. Fascist and communist groups clashed in the streets. Amsterdam had a large and thriving Jewish population, over 75,000 people by the 1930s, deeply integrated into the city's economy and cultural life. As Nazi Germany expanded, many Jewish refugees fled to Amsterdam, hoping for safety. That hope would not last. On May 10, 1940, Nazi Germany invaded the Netherlands. Within days, Amsterdam was occupied. A dark chapter in the city's history had begun. From 1900 to 1940, Amsterdam lived through rapid growth, social struggle, and modernization, before being overtaken by the storm of war.